In 2018, the World Economic Forum said that it will take 108 years for gender pay gap to disappear across the globe. And it will take 202 years before we have gender parity across the globe. However, if women like Gunjan Saxena are born and encouraged more often, that time might reduce by a little bit. Based on the incredible life of Gunjan Saxena, who was India's first female aviation officer in combat, this is a phenomenally touching movie about a girl who just had a dream to fly and she stopped at nothing to achieve that dream. So, one of the best things about the movie is that it pulls you in immediately. You are engaged, you want to know more about this girl, you want to know how she battled against all odds to make this happen. And there are going to be no spoilers in this review, just a few minor points discussed. If you don't want that and you don't want to know anything about the movie, then I'd suggest you watch it and then come back. But there are no spoilers. So it starts with a really intense scene from the Kargil war, and it then pulls back to Gunjan's life and how she got into aviation and why she enjoyed it so much. And one of the best things about the movie was that it was so well paced that I kept feeling engaged in the story. I wanted to know more and more, and as it went on, I couldn't even realize how much time had passed. And that was definitely something that the director, who's a debutant, he did really well. The director Sharan Sharma, who was also an assistant director for Ye Jawani Hai Diwani and Love Stories, does a fantastic job here of really letting you know what this girl went through while not making it overly dramatic at any point. And I really like how he decided to tell this story, which hits you in the right spots, and it makes you question lots of things that you hear from your friends, your peers, your co-workers and anyone else. He really keeps you in touch with what the character is feeling at all points. He makes you realize the kind of things that women go through when they want to do something that's slightly different than what is expected of them, and he really pulls the right emotions out of his actors, which I loved. All the actors I felt were rightly cast and they did their job really well. The standout, of course, was Pankaj Tripathi. This guy is just phenomenal. You can throw anything at him and he'll just kill it. He'll make the part his own. He'll imbibe the characteristics of the character, and he did just that with this one as well. This guy, he just infused a different kind of experience and charm into the movie, and you feel him, as a father. You feel his love for his daughter, his incredible yearning to make her a successful human being and a happy human being. His scenes are just so touching and so emotional that you just want Gunjan to succeed for this guy, first of all, because he just puts his heart and soul into his daughter. And the more and more I listen to stories of such incredible women who did such incredible things in their life, it's always someone in their family who supported them, and most importantly, the male father figure of their houses, they were always around them. And that's what makes these women stand out, because they are not tucked in at their households and they are not made to feel that they are any less than their male counterparts. And Pankaj Tripathi did that just so well. He was just phenomenal in the movie. As always, he stole every scene he was in. He was completely in control of every movement on his face, and yeah, he's just a phenomenal actor. Janhvi Kapoor was surprisingly good in this movie, and I have to accept I haven't seen Dhadak, so I don't really know if I can judge her based on her debut performance. But from whatever I could see in this movie, she put in a really sincere effort. She worked very hard, I could tell. And yeah, it would be nice if people would just judge her on this performance, because I think she really put her heart and soul into this movie. She really did well in the initial parts of the movie, especially where she is a timid, sincere girl who just has one dream and doesn't care about anything else. And yeah, I would really like to see her in more movies, and I think she can develop into an even better actor. I loved her performance in this, and yeah, I just one request that watch her performance in this and judge her in a vacuum just in this movie and nothing else. One of the things that I really loved about this movie was how balanced it was. It did not try to scream at you. It did not try to forcefully sell an idea to you. It just showed you some events and it asked you to make your own choice based on it, and I loved that. Like, it was patriotic, but in such a different way. There was no shouting, there was no uh, overtly emotional scenes and stuff like that. There was just a very simple idea of when you're sincere towards your work, you are sincere towards your country. And I love that thought, and I genuinely believe it wholeheartedly. The background score was really good. I did not notice it at half of the points, which means that it was not forced. The songs felt a little, they needed, were they not needed, but the best thing was that they were not too long and they were used rightly and they helped move the story along. So I didn't mind the songs as much. And yeah, some scenes, when they were so thrilling and it was just so exciting to watch certain parts of the movie. It, yeah, just again, it balanced everything so well. There was thrill with emotion, there was patriotism with, you know ambitions, personal ambition, and I think all of it was mixed really well, which again, the director being a debutant, I think he did a phenomenal job with all of it. Lastly, I'd like to say that this message that the movie is giving is so important, how physical and cerebral capabilities of men and women are different, and why physical capability should not come in between judging women on cerebral abilities. It's such an important movie, and all women should watch it, but more importantly, all men should watch it, because only when there are more men like Pankaj Tripathi's character in Indian households, that's when true change will happen, and I hope that's very soon. That's all. Last but not the least, I'd like to say that keep soaring high, never let your dreams get pulled down, and let them fly high.